Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be unboxing this N1 Invidia catback exhaust for the Honda Prelude. So let's just start by literally opening the box. Okay, so as you can see, this is the exhaust part, the most exciting part in this box. This is what's going to make the noise or improve the noise and hopefully increase horsepower from the car. From first glance, I almost don't even want to touch it because I don't want to get my fingerprints on this mirror finish, but all the welds are, in my opinion, incredible. They look incredible. They have like this colorized thing, almost like titanium look. The hangers are welded at the correct place, and the packaging, it's pretty well packaged. This covers the exhaust tip, and then this just covers the exhaust itself. So let's move on to the next part. This is the part that goes right before the exhaust. So the exhaust is all the way at the end. That's the part you see. And then this pipe is like what bends around the suspension and stuff so that the exhaust has a better flow. So this is this pipe. As you can see, again, same mirror finish as the exhaust itself. I don't see anything to complain about, at least from my part. I didn't see any scratches, no dents. I'm actually pretty happy the way this exhaust was built, and I'm actually happy that I actually bought this one for the car. So you can see all the flanges. So the flanges, you can see the different colors here, and then this flange looks heavy duty. I think it should definitely last a while. It's the same thing here. And as you can, I don't know if the camera picks this up, there's a little bit of like machine work or machine dust that's inside the exhaust, but that's, to me, looks pretty normal. And also, you get this hardware kit. So there's flanges in here, gaskets, sorry. So there's gaskets in here, and then these are the bolts and nuts to basically go through here, connect the exhaust. And if you really want to get even more like race car committed, you have this next part I'm going to show you. Okay, so this part here that you see, basically this is where the catalytic converter would be. I'm not sure if this is like street legal. If it isn't, I might just have to run the pipe I just showed you that I just put over there with the exhaust and leave the original catalytic converter for now until I maybe upgrade in the future to another one. But this part, I'm still not sure if I'm going to use it. So I'm going to research if I could use this and it can still pass inspection. If it can't, then I will not be using it maybe until a later time. But I still wanted to show you guys this part. So as you can see, high performance exhaust system has Invidia logo on it, and I almost just dropped this, but again, the same mirror finish. So that's pretty much it. So I'm going to basically lay this out on the ground with all the piping in the correct place, so you can have an idea how it would look like under the car, but it's going to be harder to film that in real time. So I'm going to just lay it out now and show you guys how it would look. Before I forget, this also comes with this silencer. So basically this, if this were the exhaust, so this silencer would go in here like that, and you would bolt it in place just to reduce the sound of the exhaust in case, I don't know, in case you think it's too drony or you just don't like the really loud noise. There's a hole here Yeah, you can see that right there, and that's where you would bolt that up to. Other than that, it's just a silencer, the hardware kit that I showed you earlier, an Invidia sticker, and then just the packaging with the mid pipe, this other pipe here, and then the exhaust itself. Okay, so this is what it would look like under the car. So this would connect, this flange connects to the headers, then you would keep going all the way across, again connect to this flange, this pipe would bend here, go over here, and then it would end up going to the exhaust itself right here. Now again, this is stainless steel, this is not titanium. Even though these welds, you can see it kind of there, it looks like kind of titanium, like it has a titanium finish kind of, you can see it right there, but it is not titanium. But I definitely still like the look. So this was it for the unboxing. Next I will be installing this exhaust on the Prelude. I will see you guys next time. If you like this video, you have any questions, hit the like button and leave any comments down below. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.